Everything is frequency, but most scientists don't study the world through that lens. Today we're going to be talking about a scientist who did. Thomas Galen Hieronymus was a radionic scientist, which means that he was studying the life force energy of every object and person. In 1946, he filed the patent Detection of Emanation from Materials and Measurements of Volumes Thereof. That means that everything is radiating energy. How do we measure it? Hieronymus was obsessed with this question. He wanted to find the atomic radiation of every single object, particle, and person on the planet. He combined his understanding in optical sciences, chemistry, and also electronic circuitry to create a machine that could actually read and amplify what he called alloptic energy. Alloptic energy for him was life force, but not just life force of anything that's animate, but the energy of anything. He believed that the atomic particles were actually radiating a frequency that could be measured and manipulated. This is one version of his invention called the Hieronymus machine. And in his studies of the Hieronymus machine, he found something very unusual. He found that when he simply drew the circuit on a piece of paper, it had the same effect as if it was an electrical circuit. And that's because what he found is that alloptic energy, or this emittance of radiation, doesn't operate just in an electrical way. It has other properties as well. Hieronymus's work has been forgotten until now. I took his designs and I modernized them in collaboration with a circuit engineer from Berkeley, and we created the symbolic circuit. This is a radionic pendant that actually amplifies your life force energy. It uses all the same components that Hieronymus's invention used, but we just modernized it to make the amplification a little more modern and intense. So what happens is when you wear this necklace, it actually takes your life force energy. We added a crystal to create a harmonic aspect to it. So the crystal actually harmonizes the energy, and then it goes through the entire circuit, and the entire thing acts as the antenna. When you flip this around, this actually is a spiral, and what this does is it takes the world's energy and puts it into you in a harmonized and coherent way. So you can wear this one of two ways. This really does work. It's truly amazing. I can't wait to do more studies. This can be found on dolphintechnology.org. Isn't it amazing?